Hi friends, this is my new video, another topic of agribusiness management course. In this video, we can learn about new topic, function of management or role of management functions. In this video, we can learn about different functions of management. In that, planning, organization, staffing, directing, controlling are the different types of functions we can learn in these videos. The Knowles and Donnell explain the 5 functions of management. They have become widely accepted functions. These functions are widely accepted of management for everywhere. Those are the planning, staffing, organizing, directing, controlling. Those are the functions. Okay, we can see in the one by one. First function is planning. In this function, it is the ongoing process of development of businesses, ongoing process of development of business mission and objective to determine the how they will be accomplished. Or planning, it includes the both broadest and few of the organization. Means in this video we can plan of the your business, or we can determine the objective mission of our the business. For example, it is mission, new nearest, static accomplish of the specific goal, or we can set the goals of the business. Then second is the organizing. Second function is the organizing. It can establish the internal organizational structures after the setting of the goals, or external features or external structure. After setting, we can organize the your internal organizational structures of organization. युअर ऑर्गनायझेशन जे काय असेल त्यामधलं जे काय इंटरनल स्ट्रक्चर असेल ते काय करायचं याच्यामध्ये इस्टॅब्लिश करायचं. द फोकस ऑन द डिव्हिजन, कोऑर्डिनेशन अँड कंट्रोल ऑफ द टास्क. In this function, we can focus on the different points. For example, division, coordination of staff, and control or task, and flow of the information which the organization or within the organization. In this function, the managers can distribute their authorities, their job work, or their work to the job holders. The next type is the staffing. Before staffing, we can firstly detail understand about the first two functions. First is the planning and second is the organization. In the planning, we can plan our business, and second we can organize or establish the structure of business or division of the work and distribution of the work. For example, division of the work into the functions, and some functions or sub in their subordinate. Managers can distribute their work in the subordinate. This is the second function or organization function. Third one is the staffing. In this function, it keeping the field with the qualifying people, or filling or keeping the field with the qualifying peoples as a position in the business. For example, recruiting, hiring, training, evaluating of the specific activity included in the functions. Means we can fill up the all qualified staff in the organization for their post. And it is the function admin managers to distribute the authority or their job work. This is the third function of the management. Then next fourth one is the directing. In directing, it is nothing but the guiding and leading to the people of organization. It not just giving the instructions by the superior to the subordinate, but also process of supervising, guiding, and motivating the later to achieve the organizational goal. It is not only the guiding and leading to the people, it can must be give their motivation, staff, guiding, supervision, all the process are involved in the directing. Directing means achieving or activating deals with the steps of manager to take or get subordinate for other carry out their plans. In directing, it can include the people's behavior throughout the motivations or increase the people interest in their job or motivate staff to the give their 100% to this job. The purpose of directing is the main purpose of directing is to the channels for behavior all personal or accomplish organization missions and objective for complete simultaneously in his work. Then last one is the controlling. In this is the first, this is the last step of or last function of management. It can establish the performance or standards based on the firm objective, measuring and reporting of actual performance, comparing with the taking the corrective and preventive action by the necessary. All are thus the different function of management. All those functions we can see one by one in each topic. You can see in the next videos. First is the planning. Each function we can see by another each videos. I will make the each videos for each type of functions or each functions. Okay, thank you.